This week at Family Dollar, using this 5 off of 25 digital coupon, I was able to score all of these awesome products for just $10.25 before tax and $11.91 after tax. So if you want to learn how to do this deal, then stay tuned. And if you are a beginner and want to score this awesome deal, it's easy. All you really have to do is make sure you write down the items that I specify in the video with the correct sizes. Go into the Dollar General app, log in, and clip those coupons. If you haven't registered, make sure you go and register and make an account and then clip those coupons. Go to the store and find the items that we wrote down. When you check out, make sure you tell the cashier that you are using Family Dollar coupons and put in your phone number, and bam, those coupons should automatically come off your account. It's that simple. So our first deal are these two Febreze Airs. They are on sale, 2 for $6. There is a $3 off of 2 digital coupon, making your out-of-pocket just $3 for both of them. Our next item are these Downy Infusion Sheets. They are the 90 count. They are on sale for $3.95. There is a $1.50 digital coupon, making them just $2.45 after the coupon. These Tide Simply Pods are the 13 count. They are on sale for $2.95. Using this $1 off digital coupon, you will pay just $1.95. This 34-ounce Tide Simply is on sale for $2.95. Using the $1 off digital coupon, you will pay just $1.95. This Tide with Downy detergent is on sale for $4.95. Using a $2 off digital coupon, you will pay just $2.95. It doesn't matter what kind, as long as it is between 37 to 40 ounces to satisfy the coupon, and the price is $4.95. So like I said, $2.95 after coupon. These 12 count Tide Pods are on sale for $4.95. Using the $2 off digital coupon, you will pay just $2.95. So when you combine all 6 of these digital coupons with that massive 5 off of 25, that, my friends, is how you only end up paying $11.91 after tax. That's it for me, y'all. Until next time, bye-bye.